Are you craving lasagna but want something a little different? Try these amazing lasagna roll-ups. We're taking your favorite lasagna flavors, pesto sauce and bolognese, and turning them into these beautiful pinwheels. Watch as we transform cooked lasagna sheets into delicious rolls, filled with creamy ricotta and spinach mixture and flavorful ground beef, blend packed with tons of Italian flavor. We'll top it off with a rich bolognese sauce and bake it to perfection. As for the final touch, sprinkle of fresh basil for that extra burst of flavor. So, can't wait to taste this mouth-watering meal? Let's get cooking! Let's start by making our pesto sauce. Add half cup of nuts to your food processor. For a classic flavor, use pine nuts. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, walnuts work great too. Up next, add 2 cloves of garlic. Next, season with salt and black pepper, about half teaspoon each. You know there's nothing quite like a homemade pesto, and it is surprisingly simple to make. Now we'll add the heart and soul of our pesto, half cup of fresh basil. It goes without saying that pesto adds a bright and lively dimension, elevating the overall taste experience. In the meantime, add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Close the lid and start the food processor. Slowly drizzle in 1/3 cup of avocado or olive oil while blending continuously. Keep blending until the pesto sauce is slightly thick and creamy. Let's build the foundation for our lasagna roll-ups with the flavorful beef filling. Start by sauteing 1 cup of chopped yellow or Spanish onion in a large pot over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Next, add 500 grams of ground beef to the pot. Break it apart as it cooks, ensuring it browns evenly. To elevate the overall taste, add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Let's add a strong and pungent flavor that complements the richness of the ground beef, which is 6 cloves of minced garlic. A secret ingredient we love to use in our beef is yellow mustard. It adds a surprising depth of flavor, so definitely give it a shot. Add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce for that umami flavor. To enhance the Italian flavors, let's stir in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And finally, season with salt and black pepper, about half teaspoon each. Give it a stir until all of the ingredients are fully incorporated and the beef is cooked through. Then remove from heat and cool to room temperature. To create a truly indulgent filling, we are going to combine our pesto with a creamy ricotta cheese and spinach for a richer and creamier texture. First, beat 1 egg that will be used for the binder. No lasagna is complete without ricotta cheese. Let's combine about 500 grams of this creamy ingredient. Add 250 grams of thawed spinach to the mixture. Make sure to squeeze out any excess water. To bind all the layers together and to add a creamy flavor, combine 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now add about 1 cup of that lovely pesto sauce. Finally, just mix it thoroughly until well combined. Before we roll our lasagna, let's cook the pasta. Boil about 12 pieces until al dente. Next, lay out a cooked lasagna sheet on a flat working surface. Then spread a layer of pesto and ricotta cheese filling. Now add a layer of the ground beef filling. Just looking at these layers, these lasagna roll-ups are going to be a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. And finally, we just carefully roll the lasagna noodles. Wow, just look at that! Arrange the lasagna rolls in a baking dish, making sure to leave some space between each one for even cooking. Generously pour bolognese sauce over the lasagna rolls. You can use your favorite store-bought sauce or try our homemade recipe, link below. Lastly, sprinkle the rest of the shredded mozzarella cheese on top. It's time to bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And for a touch of freshness and color, sprinkle some chopped basil. This lasagna roll-up is a symphony of flavors and textures. Each bite is a delightful journey, with the rich ricotta cheese mingling with the bright herbaceous pesto for a burst of freshness. The hearty ground beef brings out the savory notes, while the bolognese sauce creates a rich and indulgent experience. With that sensation, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.